Hello, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're going over a multi-part series on how to use Zoom. In this series, we're going over Zoom basics, some advanced Zoom features, and how to use Zoom to run a successful meeting or webinar. In this video, we're going to go over how to use the spotlight feature in Zoom. What is spotlighting? Spotlighting is the ability to spotlight a certain person's video, say like a speaker, so that people will pay attention to that speaker and not be clicking on other people's cameras or looking at other participants. It's a way to really focus the entire meeting on that one specific person that's speaking. To do this, you'll need a minimum of 3 participants in a Zoom meeting, and you can see I have 3 different cameras here. And then once you can do that, you're going to go ahead and you'll click on person's video, and you'll click spotlight for everyone. And you can see like it's going to give you a little notification if people have their videos pinned, but you can go ahead and click continue. And then you can see now my video right here is going to be spotlighted for everyone. It's going to disable the gallery view and the speaker view, and it's only going to be for the spotlighting video. Now I can either do one person or I can add multiple people to the spotlight. And you can see now I have 2 different people spotlighted, and it's going to force these 2 screens onto other people's cameras. You can do up to 9 different people on a spotlight. Now to remove someone from the spotlight, you're going to go ahead, you're going to click remove from the spotlight, and then if you want to add someone else to the spotlight, you can go ahead and click that person's name again and click add spotlight. It's going to bring them back in. And then alright, we're going to go ahead and move this. Now if you want to end the spotlight so people can go back to the gallery and the speaker view, go ahead and click this remove spotlight button. And then it's going to go ahead, and now you can see that I can go to speaker view and I can go to gallery view again. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, you can check out my other videos for other great tips and tricks on how to use Zoom.